Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to update your Hotmail account to Outlook in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login area. Click the Sign In button, then enter your Hotmail email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Outlook homepage. This is your central hub for managing emails, calendar, and other productivity tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, locate your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Click it to open a drop-down menu and select Profile to manage your personal account information. Now, navigate to the Microsoft account home using your browser. This is where you manage broader aspects of your Microsoft account, not just email. In the Your Info section, look for the email address option. Click it to see options for updating or verifying your email. Here, you can add an Outlook address or confirm your existing one if it has already been converted. Once you've made the changes, confirm them. Your Hotmail address is now updated to Outlook, giving you access to all the streamlined features within Microsoft's ecosystem. And that's it. You've successfully transitioned from Hotmail to Outlook. If you run into any issues or have questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded email experience.